Magandang araw sa inyong lahat dyan, mga kasista. Ito na naman po ang iyong lingkod, Simply Just TV. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Saan man po kayo ng dako ng mundo naroroon. Wish you were here, no? By Pink Floyd. Yan po yung ating next song ngayon na i-introduce ko sa inyo. Alright? Enjoy and watch. Okay, alright? So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail? Smile from a bell. Do you think you can tell? Did you get it to train? You heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cold breeze, cold comfort for change. Did you exchange a walk on part in the war for living a role in the cage? How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in the fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What have we found? The same old fears. Wish you were here. Alright, mga kasista, yan po yung Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. At maraming salamat. Hope you enjoy watching, mga kasista. This is Simply Just TV na bumabati sa inyo ng magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Sa mga kayo naroroon, God bless always, mga kasista. At please do subscribe na rin po, like and share, and pwede na rin ang notification bell for more videos na i-upload natin, mano-notify kayo, mga kasista. Till next time, mi amore. Maraming salamat. Thank you.